Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this video, we're taking a look at Invest Voyager, accessible at https://www.investvoyager.com. Invest Voyager is a platform that allows you to engage in various investment activities, including cryptocurrency trading. While I'm highlighting some of the features and functionalities of the website, it's important to remember that investing always carries risks. Do your own thorough research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. My goal here is simply to offer an overview based on my own usage. Navigating the Invest Voyager website, you'll find a wealth of information about their services. They offer access to a range of digital assets, allowing users to diversify their portfolios. The platform's interface aims for user-friendliness, designed for both beginners and more seasoned investors. Exploring their site, you'll discover details regarding their fee structure, security measures, and available educational resources. Understanding these aspects is crucial for anyone considering using their platform. From my experience, Invest Voyager provides a reasonably streamlined process for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. However, as with any online platform, there are potential advantages and disadvantages to consider. It's worth exploring user reviews and comparing Invest Voyager to other similar platforms before committing your funds. Remember, due diligence is paramount when dealing with investments, and what works for one individual might not be suitable for another. The information presented in this video is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing my personal experience and observations regarding the Invest Voyager platform. Be sure to conduct your own independent research and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment choices. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile, and it's vital to understand the risks involved. Hopefully, this overview of Invest Voyager has been informative. Check out the links below and thanks for watching.